Minecraft Education Edition with Crew Tim. Hi everyone, welcome back. Go ahead and log in. If you can't log in, you can follow along. Today we're going to do the code tutorial 2 and 3. We're going to add 1 in there even though we already did it. So let's go to Play, My Worlds, and Code Builder Tutorial. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, we're inside the Code Builder tutorial. Here's my agent over here. Let's go up and let's do number 1 again. Welcome to the agent trials. Challenge 1, go forward. Move your agent to the start plate to begin. You can stand on the start plate and use teleport to the player to quickly get your agent into position. Be aware of your agent's rotation. You can rotate your agent using turn. Program your agent to move forward. Stop on the gold plate to complete the challenge. Alright, so we're going to move up to the plate, get on here, we're going to do / teleport, and then we're going to do @C @S, and that'll bring the agent right to me. So we have the agent right there. He's on the plate. Now we need to see how many spaces we need to go forward. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to move forward 10 spaces. Let's go ahead and go into coding. And here it is. And we have challenge 1 already written. I don't have anything in there. So we're going to go to agent. And we are going to bring out the forward. And we're going to make it by 10. And that's it. Let's click the green arrow and we'll test it. So we have that. Now we do T for chat, and we're going to type in CHA1 for challenge 1, and let's see if it works. And there he goes. So my agent has already gone over there. So we're done with that one. Okay, let's go ahead and go and read number 2 before we move our agent up. Otherwise you won't be able to read the bottom one. Challenge 2, your turn to turn. This challenge has 2 gold plates. Move your agent to either one to complete the challenge. Remember, you can move in multiple directions or use a turn to help you reach the plates. So I'm going to go ahead and move up here. Now, if I'm facing this way and I do teleport, right, and I do this, my agent will be facing that way too. So you want to teleport your agent to face the way that you want to face, so you need to face that way. So let's go ahead and let's do that, and let's back up, and you can see he's facing the right way now. Alright, this one's going to be a lot of counting. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to count stuff, so you're going to have to write it down. What you can do is you can do it in sections. You can move forward 1, 2, 3, 4. You can move forward 4, test it, right? Turn left, test it. So there's a lot of testing. So let's go ahead and let's count this up, and then we'll go and we'll put it together. So we're going to move forward 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn left, because my agent's going to be sitting right there on that block. Turn left, and we're going to move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so my agent's going to be facing this way, looking at the trees. We want to turn them around. So what we can do is put 2 right turns in there. He'll be facing back this way, and we're going to come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back 5, turn left, and we're going to turn left. We're right here, so we're going to turn left, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, turn right, and then we're going to move forward another 1, 2, 3. Okay, it says you only need to do 1, but we're going to do both of them. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into code. Let's get up here so we can watch our agent. Alright, let's get into code. Okay, we are in code. We have an on-chat command, CHA2. Let's go ahead and let's put our stuff in there. The first thing we had was move agent forward by 4, right? Forward by 4. and then we're going to do a left turn. Go back over to agent. We'll get left turn, and we'll do that. And we have to go forward by 5. So you can come over to agent and you can click on that and you can pull them, or if you want you can copy. You can copy from any of them. So right click, duplicate, and put that in there, and we're going to go by 5. Right? Now our agent's looking at the trees. We need to turn them around. Let's grab a loop, and we'll take a repeating loop. We'll throw that in there for 2 times. And what do we want to do? We want to do a right turn. So let's copy this left turn, put it in here, change it to right turn, and then we're good. Now let's go ahead and we got to move forward 5 because we just turned them around. Now we're going to move forward by 5. Forward by 5, we need to do a left turn. So we'll duplicate this, change it to left. Remember, always double check those to change them, otherwise you're going to press play and it's not going to work the way you expected it to. Alright, after we do our left turn, we got to move forward by 3. Let's duplicate that, and we'll move forward by 3. And then what do we need? We need a right turn. So we're going to copy the right turn, and we're going to put that in there, make sure we change it to right. And our last one is forward by 3. Let's duplicate that, and let's move forward by 3. Right? And I didn't change that after that last one. I've got 5 in there, right? So we got forward by 5, we turn left, we go forward by 3, right turn, forward by 3. Okay, let's look at it. This is our code right here. Let's see if it works. So we're going to go T for the chat, and we're going to do CHA2, challenge 2, and let's watch him and see what happens. And there's a gold plate, and there's the gold plate. Okay, great job. Let's go ahead and go over to number 3 and read it, and then we'll bring our agent over. Challenge 3, the ups and downs of vertical movement. Move your agent through the maze. Reach the gold plates to finish the challenge. Standing on the white plates will remove the lock blocks in your path. You will need to move up and down to overcome this challenge. Can you guide your agent through the maze with one instruction set? Okay, let's see. And they're talking about these blocks right here. This one, and this one, and this one. So those are the blocks that we have to stand on these plates here in order to move them. So we're going to go ahead, bring our agent over, and then let's do some counting. And I'm going to arrow up here, and I've got my teleport there, and there it is. And there's my agent ready to go. All right, let's count some blocks. Let's see what we got. We need to move forward 1, 2, 3. Then we need to go up 1. So we're going to go up 1, and then we're going to move forward 1. And then we're going to go ahead and stop there. I put a second one in there because I wanted to stop on that plate to make sure it opens that. So we're on the plate. We're going to go forward 1, 2, up 1, forward 1, up 1, forward 1, right? Forward 1, then we're going to go down 2, and we'll be on the plate. Forward 1, 2, 3, because that plate's going to open that up for us. Up 1, forward 1, forward 1, well, we can do forward 2, down 1, put us on that plate, which is going to open this block up, so we need to go back up 1, forward 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, and then forward 1, 2, 3, and that should work for us. Let's go back here and let's get in a good viewing. Whoops, let's get in a good viewing position here, and let's go into code. Here we go. Okay, that's CHA2. We don't want that one. Let's go ahead and collapse those blocks. So now you can see I got dots in there, so something's in there. So we got CHA3, challenge 3. Let's go ahead and start. We need a forward, forward by 3, forward by 3, and then we're going to move up 1. So now we're going to use the same one again, not the turn, and we're going to do the pull down, and we're going to go up by 1. So we're going to do that, and we're going to do up by 1, and then we're going to go ahead and do forward by 1. So let's go move this. We're going to go forward by 1, and then we're going to go forward by 2 because I wanted to stop on that plate, right? So let's go forward by 2. And you can fix this later. You see something, you can do it differently. It's not written in stone. And then we're going to go up by 1. We're going to go up by 1. As long as it works, it doesn't matter. Up by 1, forward by 1, forward by 1. Okay, we're going to go forward by 1, then we're going to go up by 1. Again, up by 1. And then we're going to go forward by 2, forward by 2, and then we're going to go down 2, go down, so we need to change this to down, down 2, forward by 3, so we're going to go forward by 3, forward by 3, and we're going to go up 1. So we got to move up 1, up 1, forward by 2, forward by 2, down. We're going to go down, down by 1, and then we're going to go up by 1. So we got to go back up because down puts us on that plate. We want to go back up. We're going to go up 1, then we're going to go forward 3. Let's go forward 3 and down 2. Let's grab this down, and we're going to go down by 2 and forward 3. That should put us at the end. Okay, here is our code. So we forward by 3, up by 1, forward by 1. Okay, let's check it out. Before we run this, I'm going to tell you we're going to run into problems with it. We're going to run into problems on these blocks right here because the code actually runs faster than the blocks move. So let's run it, and we'll run it 3 times, and then I'll run it again to show you that our code was correct. So let's go ahead and do T for chat, CHA3, and let's see what happens. So we come up here, and you see he gets stuck. Gets stuck in a loop there, and we're going to let him finish that and see where he goes. He's going to go up, over, so he's still running the code, but because he got stuck on that block and the code runs so fast, so we cleared 2 of the blocks, so we have a 3rd block. So let's run it again. Let's go back over here, and we'll go ahead, call him back over here, run it again. So we're going to do teleport at C, at S, and bring him back. Okay, so now the 2 blocks are already cleared, right? So he should go through and get stuck on the 3rd one. Let's try it and see. CHA3, and there he goes. He's going fine, going fine, going fine, and there he got stuck. So the code runs faster than the blocks. So let's let him finish that. Finish that. Let's go back over here, and let's bring him back. Bring him back again. So I did the slash, and then I arrow up, and I've got my summon there. So now with all those open, let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. And there he goes. He goes to the end. So let's go ahead and reset those. I'm going to show you how to reset those. We're going to go over here, and we've got a gate. Let's open the gate, and we've got some doors back here. So we're going to go in here, and we're going to reset this one, and this one. Okay, now let's go back out front, and those should be reset for us. So let's shut the gate, and our agent's there, and our blocks are reset. You can see they're reset. Let's bring our agent back over here. and I'm going to slash and then arrow up till I get to @C @S. Okay, so we moved him back. We've got the blocks there. Let's go into code and let's look over here. Let's get rid of this one. Let's collapse that. And here's our fix for 3. What I did was I threw a little say smiley face in there, and then I had a repeat 4 times to turn left. So basically he's going to turn in a circle, and go through. So let's go ahead and run CHA3 fix and see how that works. So we've got our blocks there. We reset it, and let's see what happens. All I'm doing by putting the smiley face and the turning there is making him dance a little so the block will move. He can continue with his code. So CHA3 fix, and there he goes. He does a little dance, and we went through 1 time, and you can see up there it has the little smiley faces. So if you want to reset those, you can go to the back door there and do it. And also on challenge 2 and 1, we can go over to these plates here, click on that, it puts our block back there, and there's one over here on this side, and we do that and it puts the block back over here. You can see the blocks back. And for challenge 1, we can go ahead and fix that one as well. So that's it for basically challenge 1, 2, and 3. Now let's do something. If you want to get a little more creative and play around with it, you can. I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning, and I'm going to jump up here, and let's bring our agent back. And let's see, did I get him on? Okay, he's on the right spot. He's there. I'm going to go down here. We are going to go up on the tower to watch it, but we can't go up on the tower to run the first part of the code and call the agent because it's too far away and it won't work. So let's take a look at our code. Okay, here we are. We're back in code. Let's scroll over here and let's look at combine. And I have to combine. I put the loops in there so we don't have the same problem that we had on number 3 where it breaks the code and it doesn't run correctly. So I've got those in there, and then the moves. So I've got the moves in there and the challenges in there, little smiley faces. Now let's come back up here and we'll go over to move 1, which I have to do first because when we get up on the tower it's too far away to get him to move from there over. So we're going to forward 7, left, up by 1, forward 16, down by 3. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's do T, move 1, and you can see him moving, coming around, and he's going to stop there. Let's go ahead and go up on the tower. We're going to go ahead and go all the way down to number 3 and see if it'll run from there. That way we can see all of them. You may not need to see 1 as much, but we're going to go ahead and run it from down here, see what happens. So we have our agent, and we have 1, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and see what happens. Combine, go. And there he goes, going through 1, 2's fine, 3's fine, or 2's fine. Okay. And there he goes, all finished. We did all of them combined. You can go ahead and play with that if you want, or you can just do the 3 challenges individually. Next video, we're going to come and we're going to do challenge number 4, which has a lot of stuff to do. So great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.